What's a callback? A callback is a function that gets passed as an argument to another function. And that other function will call the callback at some point in the future. For instance, when a timeout expires, or when a network call returns, or when another event happens like the user clicks a button. In code, we can show it using our previous example of the bakery. So the bakery buy bread method receives a callback. This function is the callback. And inside buy bread, it's called bread ready callback. And it will be called inside this other callback. So this is also a callback. This is the callback that is provided or passed to set timeout, and that will call the callback that was passed into buy bread after 1 second or 1000 milliseconds have passed. And right now, here, both here and here, the function is written inline, so it's directly written here, but we could also assign it to a variable like this. So we say bread ready. And let's see if we can fix all these annoying red lines. Okay, cool. So bread ready here, it is a function that was assigned to a variable, and here it is passed as callback to buy bread. And buy bread gets it here as a parameter, so it will call it inside here. And actually, in other videos we've talked about JavaScript events with at event listener, like the document at event listener, or the document body at event listener, click, and then some function that does something with the click event. Well, this function here, it's also a callback, and it will be called whenever the click event happens. In future, we will talk about network calls, and because the response from the server comes back at some point in the future, we also get that through callbacks. So that's my explanation for callbacks.